Agent can log in with agency code. Agent can select the plan and proceed with policy issuance flow. Agent can now fill the lead details. Agent will now fill the quote details and then calculate premium. Agent can see the premium breakup and have a provision to download benefit illustration, and then saves the quote to proceed. Agent can see his/her agency details and proceed to KYC process. CKYC process will be done for the customer. In case of CKYC not available, Aadhaar-based eKYC will be done for the customer and move to proposal filling. Agent will now start filling the proposal form with all the required annexures. Once the entire proposal form is filled, now agent will move to nominee details section and add nominees and save the proposal form. After saving the proposal, agent can upload required documents and proceed to payment selection. Agent can now select the payment mode and proceed to ACR filling. Payment mode will be of two types: Agent can either attach a BOC or agent can opt for customer to make online payment. After ACR is filled, ACR will be authenticated with an OTP verification and then the proposal will be sent for customer verification. There is option for agent to download the ACR PDF. Customer will receive a verification mail or WhatsApp, where he or she should click on the link and proceed with proposal verification and get verified with an OTP. Then proposal will be submitted successfully and proceeds to payment if online payment option selected. After successful payment, proposal will be registered successfully at branch for completion. STP cases will get completed instantly.